of costs and the basic cost behaviors and patterns that occur. You find that costs are divided into two. We have fixed costs, and variable costs. We know that fixed costs remains constant as activity changes because they are fixed. They don't change. If even an activity in the production, in operation changes, the fixed costs remain the same. But while variable costs changes with the changes in the activity, they go hand in hand. It's very important for you to know that, and it's very simple for you to understand, and grasp it to your understanding. And when explaining, you explain very well, because sometimes you'll be asked to differentiate between fixed costs and variable costs for the knowledge of identifying and classifying costs to the way it's supposed to be. Three important methods in cost estimation method, and you are supposed to understand them very well, because they will be tested in your examination, and they are so important for you. Now, they include the account analysis, regression method, and HILO method. And we will start with account analysis, as I said, and we'll present it in an Excel. This is very important for you.
Cost estimation method. In this, we are looking at the account analysis. It is simply an examination of accounting records and information that are obtained from accounting reports and statements. To use this method, we review all the accounts information and details that are extracted from each account in an organization, and each account that is contributing to the total result and costs being analyzed. So when we are provided with information, for example, trial balance, profit and loss account, we go deep into each account and classify this account into different accounts, each as either fixed cost or variable costs. We use actually an accounting classification of judgments. You, as an accountant or as a cost controller, you are the one responsible to make a judgment of, or a student, you are supposed to make a judgment as whether this activity is in line with variation or varies with the cost varies or does not vary. How is the cost charged? Is it the same all through? You are supposed to know about that one. So it's
various costs, classes of accounts provided by you, by your accountant, to you as a cost accountant. You will review all these ones. For example, in account analysis example, you've been provided with a company that has been in operation for the last 4 years, and these are accounts that you've been provided with, which you will use. Now all these it's for you to use in classifying each cost. For example, this is indirect material cost, labor costs, IFRS lease costs, we have electricity, we have machine service, we have plant and equipment, insurance, and depreciation. Now, in these ones, you'll be able to, excuse me, to classify them into either costs or variable costs or fixed costs. Now, you find that you've been provided with below accounts obtained from books of accounts of company X, Y, and Z. These accounts give the information of cost incurred in the company for the last 4 years. So all these costs you can see here, all these costs you can see here from the last 4 years, these values. So time given is 4 years. 4 years. So all these one you will be able to look at them very well in calculation of the there is also additional information you are given here: direct labor hours that were used for the last 4 years, direct labor costs, machine hours, and units produced within that 4 years, which is 19,427. This is very important for you, and to look into how to solve this issue. So let's go to an Excel and we start solving this problem using accounts analysis, an example of cost estimation.
And did you know that Education Chair's website is open for all students to post questions for free and share to the world? Now we are bringing you a platform where you will be able to exchange questions and get answers from your fellow peers, meet new peers around the world, and this is for you as a student. And when you open the account, you go to www.educationchess.com where you find the students' academic forum and academic community. You can share for free your assignments, your questions with answers, and also make a living from there, and also make sure you met new peers from there all over the world. There's also cheerful lecturers there, teachers with a lot of knowledge. Join today by creating the account. Please don't fail to subscribe to our channel and be blessed. Click the thumbs up